If you'd like to learn about a microphone that is easy to set up, will plug and play, doesn't take up too much space, is very affordable, and has a 90-day worry-free refund, go ahead and stick around because I'm going to introduce you to the TISY y730. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so here we are. We've got the TISY y730. You get so much for the price of admission. This is a cardioid pattern mic. Essentially, it just isolates whatever it is that you are recording. Super easy to set up, and its plug and play functionality is absolutely incredible. No extra drivers needed, just plug and play. You're ready to go. I also love that it doesn't take up too much space, and again, super affordable. Now, if that wasn't enough, these guys actually also offer a 90 days worry-free refund. So if for whatever reason you do not want this in 90 days, you get a free refund. And on top of that, you've got 12 months of warranty service. You cannot beat that. Here's the mic right here. The USB microphone for PC, for Macs, and again, professional mic, cardioid polar pattern, plug and play functionality. It comes with a high-speed USB cable, and you got the satisfaction guarantee. So let's go ahead and look at this mic together, shall we? All right, so here is the box right here. The good people over at Tissy sent this over to me, and honestly, I feel honored to be able to talk about it and give it a go. We're going to give it a test run, and we're going to see how it compares to the SM7B, okay? Of course, this does not cost what the SM7B costs. This one is $35. You got this great bag, box rather. You got the user guide right here, pretty cool. It comes packaged very neatly. Here's the USB cable. This is, I believe, USB 2. And so if you have a newer Mac, you're going to need a dongle to go ahead and connect to that. This is pretty cool. Comes with a little stand, little tripod here. So look, they thought of everything. I mean, they really want to make sure that you guys have the best mic for the price. And so you can essentially take the mic. Now remember, this is a cardioid mic, and so the way that it's positioned is crucial to its performance. You want the label where the logo is to be facing you in order to record you properly. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put it on the stand itself. So you can use this for podcasts, for gaming, for writing songs, singing into it, perhaps recording an acoustic guitar, whatever the case may be. But you got a high performance mic that can go with you anywhere. One of the ways I'll be using mine is when I travel. So I have like a mobile setup, put it in there, and if I need to run a cast or hit a webinar or something, I'll be using this. So I'm super excited about it. So nice sturdy stand, professional quality, really, really cool. And you need a cable to go ahead and connect it. Now, it's pretty wild. This actually goes straight into the computer. So this is no excuses, right? I mean, you could just plug and play. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up this USB. So let's see. I want to kind of do a mic shootout between the TISY y730 and the SM7B. I've recorded myself speaking on the SM7B. Check it out. Start recording on the SM7B and just give you a straight shot at what this microphone can do. All right, so in order to choose the TISY y730, I'm going to go ahead and select it as my input device. And so then now I'm going to hit apply changes. If you want to use this, you're going to have to change the preferences in your input device inside of your DAW. Obviously, you can use this for any DAW. Just want to make sure that's clear. And so I'm going to hit apply. And so we should be able to now utilize this microphone, okay? How's it going? This is Eddie Gray, and I am currently reviewing this absolutely wonderful mic. Super excited to be here. And, well, what can I say? This microphone is portable. It has all the right stuff. Super excited to be reviewing it here. No distortion, absolutely clear. It does what it says it does. I love that it's compact. I love that it's easy to use. And on top of that, the sound quality is what will keep me coming back for more and more and more. Here we go. All right, so let's listen to the quality. Now, bear in mind, the SM7B is a microphone that costs 400 big ones, whereas the TISY y730 only is going to cost you $35. So that's something that needs to be thought about. Let's take a listen. How's it going? This is Eddie Gray, and I am currently reviewing this absolutely wonderful mic. Super excited to be here. And, well, what can I say? This microphone... So I'm on the SM7B now, right? And so I've lined up the tracks so that I can solo one after the other. So here I'm just going to create a cycle region so you can listen to the quality of the SM7B first. Shot at what this microphone can do. And, well, what can I say? This microphone... And, well, what can I say? This mic... Shot at what this microphone can do. Shot at what this microphone... Say this microphone. And, well, what can I say? This microphone... Excited to be here. And I am currently reviewing this... Start recording on the SM7B and just give you a... And although they are different mics, sounds pretty good. This is certainly something that you could podcast with, record with. Let's see what an acoustic guitar sounds like with this mic. I wasn't planning on doing it this way, but you know what? I'm kind of excited, so let's get into it. I got my guitar right here, and let me just do some maneuvering. One sec. Okay, so let me show you what that sounds like in real time. Let's check this out. Hey, that sounds really good. Just put a little bit of EQ just to bring out some of the warmth and some of the high end there. Put a compressor just to kind of get everything to be stable, and it sounds nice and clean. So, you know, I highly recommend this. I couldn't tell you. If I had this microphone when I first started, I absolutely would have enrolled, would have bought one, would have bought five. But this technology wasn't available back when I first started 7 years ago. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch this. And if you want to check out the microphone, you can go ahead and check it out. USB condenser microphone. It's called the TISY y730, and you can find it on Amazon. So So as always, we appreciate you guys. We thank you so much for your time. We know who you are. We respect you. We are here to serve you. If you like the content, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we will see you next time. Remember to keep your frequency high, guys. Thank you guys very much. Have yourselves a great day. All right. Cheers. We'll see you later. Bye.